Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Dreadlocks. I'm Gunter the Great, and today I got Diddy or Activerse on the channel. Make sure to go check his channel out. Link down below. You guys are like, yo, why is he on the channel so much? Because he lives right down the street, man. But don't worry, like I mentioned in a recent video, I'm actually gonna have Jimmy Got Soul and Pooty and a few other people on this channel, so it's gonna be really cool to see that in the future. It's actually coming up at the end of this month, so really looking forward to that. But today I'm gonna be giving him a fade, and I'm gonna let him talk because he went on a certain subject and on his channel just recently, and I think it is a good subject to talk about, and I'm gonna let him just like talk as I'm cutting his hair, so it's gonna be pretty cool to get his view of everything as far as his dreadlocks. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it.
So yeah, it's been, I had my dreads for about 8 months now, because I got it right before my birthday in December. And so I've had it for 8 months roughly, and I have not had a retwist. And I know y'all been getting in my head talking about get a retwist, but it's like, you know what I'm saying, I'm struggling with something. And it's like I was insecure about it at first, right? Like I was like, whoa, what the heck is this? I was like, what is it? Because I washed my hair, I remember, and I came out the shower, and I was doing actually a video too, how to ABC rinse your hair, or ACV, whatever. And then I see it. I was like, I thought it was some white stuff like on my hair, and I scraped it, and then I see more now because my hair is drying, and you can see more, and my bathroom was foggy a little bit, and so, or my camera was foggy a little bit because my bathroom was foggy. And then I zoom in, I was like, what is this? So I wiped the mirror, the mirror, and I looked at it. I was like, okay, I'm shook. Like I thought, like I was gonna chop it off right there and then get this thing out of my hair. And then I think I looked up a video or something, and I figured out that was a buildup that comes from basically not washing your hair for a while, using products, putting water in your hair, and stuff like that. And so my first thought was like, I don't wash my hair like that. And it's like, it was like my second time or something like that, washing my hair that time. And so I was just like, I don't put hair or water in my hair. And if I do, I don't even go to swimming or anything. And if I do, I dry them out real fast. And so I was just so shook about it. But I knew that growing up, I had the problem of dandruff because my skin gets dry so fast. And I remember asking my brother, I was like, do you get the same thing? He's like, yeah, I do. But then I check out his hair. His hair gets a little bit of dandruff, but not as much as me. So it differentiates between basically people and how your skin reacts or how your skin holds whenever you have that much hair. And I remember I used to put oil on it. I used to put so much stuff on it, and it still didn't help it at all. The only thing I was able to do was wash it many times and again and again and again and again to just keep the least amount of dandruff. So with this dreadlocks, I didn't know it was gonna build up because I was like, I'm not gonna scratch my hair or anything like that. But I ended up having so much dandruff, and I was just like, I kind of felt like I should cut my hair and start off because I thought I wasn't able to get it out. So at the end of that video, I remember I was like, I'm gonna cut this video out. And I recorded the parts, like how to do it and everything. And I think I did post it too, the video, but I cut out the part that I had seen the hair with so much buildup, so much dandruff just soaked up in every roots of the dread. And then I remember I asked my fiance to basically come grab a towel and rub it out. And so that worked out a little bit, but at the same time, later on the days, I keep my hair ponytail like this, and I opened my hair one time and I looked at it, the inside of it, and I was just like, oh my goodness, this is too much. And basically what I concluded was, and if you guys have not seen that video, go check it out. It should be in Activerse, one of the recent videos. If not, it's gonna be the second, the third. I don't know when he's gonna post this. But yeah, that's the video of it, and you guys can see what I'm talking about and how much it is, how much tough it is. And the thing is like, time is the issue, right? And having time on your hands to do that type of stuff is kind of hard whenever you're already invested in so many things. And the only days that I get off is like the days I take off on my Sabbath, and then when I do editing or when I hang out with my fiance, just like, you gotta make time for everything, and you gotta make time for your hygiene, your health, and everything too. But dreads, it comes with patience and time, and because like once you wash your dreads, you in there at least for an hour, and then drying them out, you at least for 30 minutes, based on how you dry them. And if you do a natural way with a towel or something, about an hour. So that's a lot of time that you spending and you investing on your hair. That for me is just like, I started to see like, okay, is this worth it or not to spend time in? So that's why I decided like, or I didn't decide, but like I'm thinking, okay, either I'm cutting it and restarting, or I need to do like a whole detox. Is that what it's called, detox?
Yeah, like a detox.
A whole detox for 4 weeks, doing the same routine and see where my hair get to. So I'm contemplating between those two. I have a video that's dropping also, if not already dropped, about my decision on that. And I'm gonna have Gunther the Great opinion on what to do in these circumstances, and I'm gonna ask him also in my recent video, if you guys go check it out, why or how he was able to endure this type of situation if he ever was in one, and what his advice would be. So yeah, it is a tough situation, but I think there's always a solution. And based on the people that's just been commenting, a lot of people have been supporting and not like roasting and like taking it seriously, you know what I'm saying? And it's like, I appreciate that so much, because it's like at this point, I'm like, okay, I want to be able to give y'all content, but at the same time, it's going to be in a way getting in my way of my lifestyle and what I plan to do. So yeah, if you guys have any suggestion, or if you guys have been in any circumstance like that where you had insecurities about your hair, or your hair not being able to grow, or dandruff problems, whatever it is, because I know dandruff is not the least thing. I think there's more things out there. And what are those insecurities, and how did you overcome them? And if it's worth talking about, because I think a lot of people don't talk about hair insecurities. And you see a lot of people wearing hats and stuff like that, and because they're insecure about their hair, like they don't want to show their hairline or their scalp, something. And then the areas that are like where you can wear hoodies and stuff like that, yeah, you can't even tell people don't got hair half the time. So it's just like, it's worth talking about, it's worth discussing about, you know, it's worth saying, I have this issue too, you're not the only one. And just coming as a, you know, brother and sister, and advising one another to get ourselves to a better place in our health routine or hair routine. So, yeah, man.
That is a video on Diddy. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And the reason I made this video is because first off, he was coming over for a haircut. Second off, I seen the video that he created of him talking about his whole predicament with his dreadlocks, so I wanted him to relay that over to you guys. So hopefully that brought some light or some understanding as far as like not being afraid, or everyone goes through the same thing. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, comment down below what you got out of it. And like I said, there are going to be a lot of people joining Beyond the Roots really soon. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.